go. Throttle's back.
Throttle's back.
Yeah, what a dick. What a dick.
Nice right there.
Joel Silver.
Nobody could touch that guy. I wonder if he builds his own engines. Or if he's all secretive. Might be.
You found that Resurita?
No, I still got it.
Oh.
Haven't got to it yet. Need me one of them 6-hour morning headaches.
Oh, is that like the last one? I don't see any other boats out there.
Almost got this patio licked up, man.
Yeah?
I'll send you a pic. It's pretty fucking badass. It's got a higher, like a out the kitchen level, which is like 30-some inches high, and then it has 3 steps down to the fucking fire pit level.
Nice.
And they both have arches around, and they have a built-in pergola that's going in. Like they sunk the fucking posts in like well before we even did.
Yeah.
So we columned it. We've got 4 columns all pillared up, you know, with pillar bricks and shit. Dude, this thing's badass. Just the guy fucking pisses me off. He's got his like brother working for him, so he's used to like giving attitude and just saying stupid shit to fucking people that work for him. And I don't
take kindly to that bullshit.
Fuck no, dude. Like, seriously? Like, I ran jobs for fucking 6 years, dude. Like, tell me what the fuck's going on.
Trying to smell it. There it is.
Right, Field. There's that nice up.
They don't make cologne like it yet. I can't believe it.
What the fuck?
They make smoking tire candles, I know. They do.
Burnout.
Yeah, burnout is what it's called.
That's supercharged? Oh yeah. Look at that fucking thing on that. Jesus Christ.